Okay. What is associated cost? Associated cost is combination of two costs. ಎರಡು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ carrying cost will give you the associated cost. Associated cost is made up of two costs. One is total ordering cost, the other one is total carrying cost. Eradu ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ will give you the associated cost. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? associated cost is equal to total ordering cost. ಈ equation ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the total ordering cost? ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 50 rupees. So 50 rupees, how many orders you are ordering in a year? 36.5. So 50 rupees into 36.5 plus this is my ordering cost. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? 50 rupees per order and 36.5 are the number of orders I am placing every year. So 50 into 36, this is my total ordering cost. How do I get my total carrying cost? Total carrying cost is what is my total carrying cost? Total carrying cost is carrying cost per unit per annum multiplied with average inventory. Average inventory here is, how do you get half of EOQ will be give you the average inventory. Half of EOQ is half of EOQ. Half of EOQ. How much is EOQ here? You have already found out. 500 units. So half into 500. What is the carrying cost per unit per annum? We have already calculated. It is 7.3. So 7.3 is the carrying cost per unit per annum. So this is my ordering cost. This is my carrying cost. Total ordering cost plus total carrying cost will give me the associated cost. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪರ್ annum into average stock. Average stock, if you don't have the minimum level, then I will consider as half of my EOQ as average stock. So this is my associated cost. So 50 into 36.5, which is nothing but 1815. 1825, sorry, 1825 plus what is my carrying cost? It is half into 500 divided by 2 multiplied by 7.3. So this is my 1825. Again 1825. 1825, 1825. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ both are same at EOQ. At EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost both will be same. There will be no difference between your average, your ordering cost and your carrying cost. Both are same. So 1825 plus 1825, which is nothing but 3650. This is my associated cost. My associated cost. So how did I find out the associated cost? Associated cost is equal to total ordering cost plus total carrying cost will give me the total associated cost. Associated cost does not include the price of the material. ಬರೇ ordering cost, carrying cost ಎರಡನ್ನೇ ನಾವು include ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. We do not include the price of the material in this particular case. So this is your associated cost. So we have already included what all different things we saw in this particular problem. We found out how to calculate the ROL. That is your reorder level. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption multiplied by maximum period. I assume here 50 is my maximum consumption and 32 is the lead time. So I have calculated ROL, number of orders per year, A divided by EOQ, annual consumption divided by EOQ will give me the number of orders. Time lag between two purchases, number of days in the year divided by number of orders in the year. How I have calculated? Time lag between two purchases, number of days in a year divided by number of orders per year. Associated cost is nothing but total ordering cost divided plus total carrying cost. How do I calculate total ordering cost? Ordering cost per order multiplied by number of orders in the year plus carrying cost is calculated by carrying cost per unit per annum into average stock of half of EOQ. You can do the calculation. So this is the problem number 9. Let's move to the next problem. Oh, there's a 10th problem speaks about super grow fertilizers. Have a look at the particular problem. This particular problem 10. I will read out the problem quickly for you. It says the complete gardener is deciding on the EOQ for 2 brands of lawn fertilizers. So gardener he wants to buy lawn fertilizers. Where he wants to use the lawn fertilizer in his garden, and he has options here: Super Grow and Nature's Grow. There are 2 different types of lawn fertilizers. Now what he wants to do with them is he has collected the information about both the fertilizers and he's given it to you. He has given annual demand for a Super Grow fertilizer. The demand for the Super Grow fertilizer people come and buy is 2000 bags. What he needs, the annual demand for himself, how much he needs Super Grow fertilizer? 2000 bags. Nature's own fertilizer he needs 1280 bags. Ordering cost, every time he orders a Super Grow, he will spend 1200, whereas Nature's Grow he will spend only 1400. And in case of carrying cost per bag, how much is the carrying cost per bag? 480 is the carrying cost per bag with respect to Super Grow, and with respect to Nature's Grow own fertilizer it is 560. Now what all information they are asking is compute EOQ for Super Grow and Nature's Grow. So they have already given you everything. All that you need to do is only calculate the EOQ for both of them and find out which EOQ is the suitable. They are asking you for EOQ what is the sum of the total relevant ordering cost and total annual carrying cost for Super Grow. So you need to calculate both annual ordering cost, annual carrying cost, that is associated cost they are asking for, and compute the number of deliveries per year for Super Grow and Nature's Grow. We have already done that particular equation right here. Number of deliveries, number of orders, we have done everything. All that we need to do is put up in a small table and show them which one, both of them, how much is the associated cost, how much is the number of orders, and what is the EOQ we need to write down for the both the fertilizers. So quickly I will clean up the board for you. So let's prepare a table with particulars and Super Grow and Nature's Grow. One is for particulars, so write down all the information which they are asking for. This is the column for Super Grow fertilizer and next one for Nature's Grow. Nature's Grow fertilizer. write down EOQ. What is the, let's write down all the information what they have given. A, how much is the annual requirement for Nature's Grow and Super Grow? A is annual requirement. One is 2000 bags, one is 1280 bags. So write down A is equal to annual requirement, annual demand. This is 2000, this is 1280. Next one, how we have ordering cost, O. O is ordering cost. First one, Super Grow ordering cost is 1200. Next one is 1400. 1200, 1400. Next is carrying cost. They themselves have given carrying cost per bag. Annual relevant carrying cost per bag. They have given 480, 560. So carrying cost per bag per annum 480 for Super Grow, and for Nature's Grow it is 560. 560. Next, let's see. Compute EOQ for Super Grow and Nature's Grow. First one, EOQ they are asking for. First one, EOQ. How do you calculate the EOQ? Root of 2AO divided by C. So the equation is root of 2AO divided by C. Here, root of 2 into 2000 multiplied by 1200 divided by 480. How much it comes to? Two into 2000 multiplied by 1200 divided by 480. And you need to remove the root for it. So it is 100 bags. This is 100 bags. What about the next one? This is root of 2 into 1280. 1280 into 1400 divided by 560. So let's see. 2 into 1280 multiplied by 1400 divided by 560. If I remove the root for it, it will be 80 bags. 80 bags for Nature's Grow, 100 bags for Super Grow. What is the next question? For the EOQ, what is the sum of total annual relevant ordering cost and total annual carrying cost for Super Grow and Nature's Grow? They are asking both of them how many, what is total ordering cost. So for that, let me calculate second one, number of orders per year. How do I calculate? I have number of orders per year. How do I get? Total requirement is 2000. Here annual requirement divided by EOQ. EOQ is 100. This is 20 orders. And in this case it is 1280 divided by 80. So it will be 16 orders. In case of Nature's Grow, 16 orders. In case of Super Grow, it is 20 orders. How much is the total ordering cost? Third one, total ordering cost. How much is the total ordering cost? इसे ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ordering cost multiplied by number of orders. So ordering cost is 1200 multiplied by 20. So this gives me 12 to the 24,000. So 24,000 is the ordering, total ordering cost. Whereas in case of Nature's Grow, it is 1,400 multiplied by 16 orders. So 1,400 multiplied by 16. will give me 22,400. This is the total ordering cost. So I know one of them I have found out for the associated cost. What about the second one? The fourth item in this case, total carrying cost. How do I calculate my total carrying cost? Total carrying cost is nothing but half of EOQ multiplied by average carrying cost per unit per bag, per unit per annum. So I know already, I know how much is my per unit per annum carrying cost. Per bag per annum carrying cost is 480, 560. Half of EOQ is, EOQ I've already found out, 100 bags. So it is half of EOQ multiplied by carrying cost per unit per annum. How do I get half of 100 multiplied by 480? So if you see 50 into 480 will give me 24,000. It has to be same. Look at this particular ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ EOQ ಒಳಗಡೆ if you calculate the total ordering cost and total carrying cost, both will be same. There will be no change in the carrying cost or ordering cost. That is the reason it is called as economic order quantity. Economic is you are not losing on storing, you are not losing in ordering. Both are same. There is no change in the carrying cost nor the ordering cost. In this case, it is half of, how much is the EOQ here? EOQ is 80 multiplied by 560. So if I say this 560 is equal to 22,400. This is the best way to check your answers, whether you have calculated it EOQ correctly or not. So 22,400, 22,400 in both. So they are asking, what is the next question? They are asking for the EOQ, what is the sum of total relevant ordering cost and carrying cost? I have found out total ordering cost is 24,000, total carrying cost is 24,000, 22,200, 22,000. Next question is, for the EOQ, compute the number of deliveries per year for Super Grow and Nature's Grow. The number of deliveries for the Super Grow and Nature's Grow, Nature's Own. For the EOQ, compute the number of deliveries per year. Number of deliveries per year you have already found out. Your ordering cost, orders, number of orders. These are the number of deliveries. And this is the total. Let's find out, write down one more associated cost also. Associated cost. So this is associated cost 24, 48,000. 48,000 either 22, 40, 800. So this is the answer for your next question. That was, sorry, the previous question, that is problem number 10. Look at the next problem. Problem number 11. EOQ and effect of different ordering quantity. That is, because of EOQ, you save some money. How do you get to know? This is asked, this particular question was asked twice in your examination. One was long back in 99. However, in 2006 also they have asked this question. 2006 they have asked this question. That is, PQR Limited produces a product which has monthly demand of 52,000 units. The product requires a component X, which is purchased at ₹15 per unit. Every year, for every finished product, 2 units of component X are required. Ordering cost is 350 per order. Carrying cost is 12% per annum. You are required to calculate EOQ of component X. If the minimum lot size is 52,000 units, what is the extra cost the company has to incur? What is the minimum carrying cost the company has to incur? So they have given you, you need to calculate all the components so that you come back and say best is EOQ and it is rather buying 52,000, you should go for EOQ as a ordering quantity. So let's calculate the first annual requirement. Annual requirement ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. They have just given the number of units, product ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the number which we need to manufacture, but they have not given the how many number of units of raw material we will need for the year. When you have some questions in your mind, best is read it. Read the question and write down. So PQR Limited produces a product. So they produce a particular product. Product ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ? They every monthly it is. Monthly demand is 52,000. So product monthly demand is equal to 52,000. Okay. Now next is the product requires a component X. So e product na manufacture madoke I need a component X. Okay. Now that particular component X is purchased at, this is purchased. Price is how much? Price is equal to 15 rupees per unit. 15 rupees per unit. Next, for every finished product, andre one product manufacture madoke how much units of X unit? 2 units. So one product bekandre I need 2 units of X. So we need to find out how much is the annual requirement. Let's say annual requirement. How do you find out the annual requirement? First monthly 52,000 ಬೇಕಾ ನನಗೆ? 50,000 ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ 2 X ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, 2 units of X. So this is monthly demand multiplied with 2, because monthly how many are manufacturing? 52,000 into 2 into how many months are there? 12. So how much is the total annual demand? It is 52,000 multiplied by 2 into 12. So that comes to 12 lakhs 48,000. So 12 lakhs 48,000 units is required. 12 lakhs 48,000 units. This is your annual demand. What about the next component of EOQ? They have already given ordering cost is 350 rupees. Yes. How much is the ordering cost? Ordering cost is equal to 350. Carrying cost per unit per annum. Per unit the cost eshtiде? 15 rupees. 15 rupees multiplied by what is the percentage of carrying cost? They have already given you what is the percentage? 12%. So calculate 12% for this. 15 rupees to 12%. So how much is that? 15 rupees to 12% to is 1.8. It is 1.8. 1.8 is the per unit per annum carrying cost. Per unit per annum carrying cost. Now calculate EOQ. How much is EOQ? Substitute all of them and find out EOQ. EOQ is equal to root of 2AO divided by C. So root of 2 into 1248,000 multiplied by 350 divided by 1.8. How much it comes to? Let's calculate. 2 into 1248,000 equals 24,96,000 multiplied by 350 divided by 1.8. Idradu root ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. So that comes to 22,030 units. Approximately 22,030 units. This is EOQ. OQ is equal to 22,030 units. Now they are asking calculate EOQ for components we have done. If the minimum size to be supplied is 52,000 units, what is the extra cost the company has to incur? So instead of EOQ, they have to order. Supplier ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ 52,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ if you order 52,000, how much is the extra cost you are incurring compared to EOQ? So we have to compare. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಎರಡರಿಂದ, ಒಂದು EOQ ಗೆ ಒಂದು 52,000 ಗೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So let's have a table now for both of them, for EOQ and 52,000 units. So one is for EOQ, the second one is for 52,000 units. EOQ and one for 52,000. Okay, so let's prepare a associated cost for all the buying total average total carrying cost to total ordering cost ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we'll find out how much is the cost with respect associated cost with respect to EOQ and with respect to 52,000 units. So first and foremost I want is how much is my ordering cost. Ordering cost for EOQ. EOQ ಏನಿದೆ 22,030 units. So how many ordering cost is? Ordering cost I already know how much per order cost is 350. So write down 350. This ordering cost is 350 here and 350 here also. Okay, number of orders in a year per annum. Number of orders in a year, how many orders I will post in respect of 12 lakhs 48,000 units divided by 22,030. Annual requirement divided by EOQ. So it is 1248,000 divided by 22,030. That will be something like 56.65. So 56.65 is the number of orders I have. Here in this case it is 1248,000 divided by 52,000. So this comes to 5248. So 12,48,000 divided by 52,000. So this is 24 orders. So third point is total ordering cost. Multiply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 350 into 350 multiplied by 56.65. So that comes to 350 multiplied by 56.65. So that comes to 19,827.5. I leave it with a digit. Here it is 350 multiplied by 24. That comes to 8,400. Next, fourth one is total carrying cost. How do you calculate the total carrying cost? Total carrying cost is nothing but carrying cost per unit per annum multiplied by half of EOQ. So what is half of EOQ? EOQ is 22,030 in this case. So find out how much is the total carrying cost with respect to EOQ and 52,000. Since ordering per annum, carrying cost per unit per annum is 1 rupee 80 paise. We have already calculated. 1 rupee 80 paise is per unit per annum. So total carrying cost is equal to half of 22,030 multiplied by 1.8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is half of EOQ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? 52,000. So I will take 52,000 into 1.8. So how much is this? It is half of 22,030 divided by 2 multiplied by 1.8. That comes to 19,827. Same ide nodi. Adre illi hagirodilla. Illi it is not EOQ. So you will not get the same carrying cost. So it is 52,000 divided by 2 multiplied by 1.8. This is 46,800. 46,800 is the total carrying cost. So add up both of them. How much is the associated cost? Quickly add up the ordering cost and the carrying cost. So how much is the associated cost? Fifth one, associated cost. Associated cost is 19,827 plus 19,827. So 39,654. With respect to 52,000 units, if I order 52,000 units, then my associated cost is 46,800 plus 8,400. So 55,400. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ my ordering cost is less. However, my carrying cost is more. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ I have to keep my carrying cost will be higher when compared to ordering cost. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ordering cost will come down and your carrying cost will increase. So this is 55,400. What is the difference now? 55,400 is 55,400. 8,400 plus 46,800. 8,400 plus 46,800. Sorry, 400 alla 200 is. Sorry, 2,200. So now what is the difference between difference is 52,200 minus 39,564. Nodre 15,636 rupees is the difference. You are actually 55, right? Yes, it is 55,200 minus 39,654. Sorry, 546. 546. This is the difference. So the question they have asked is, what is the minimum carrying cost company has to incur? What is the minimum carrying cost it should incur? It should incur only 19,827. This is the minimum carrying cost it should incur. So the answer is the minimum carrying cost the company should incur is 19,827. However, it is spending now more. If the minimum plot size is 52,000, what is the extra cost the company is incurring? The company, second question answer, the company is incurring extra 15,546 if it is ordering with 52,000 as a lot size. Second question answer is 15,546. Third question answer, it is 19,827. So this is a question which was asked long back. However, it was repeated twice. ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. asking for a lot size and a comparison. Lot size change ಆದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ extra expenses burden ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ. Look at this particular problem. The same pattern ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅವರು. asking for to calculate the ordering cost and the carrying cost and the associated cost, and to find out whether the order should be accepted or the lot size should be changed. ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This is the maximum type different combination they can actually work on to get you to answer the EOQ problem. So I'll continue with the class now. Actually, I will continue with some more problems. However, if you are interested, you can continue with, but then the class will be recorded and it will be put on. You can actually view the class little later on also. I will take a break of 10 minutes and I will start the class again. Since we don't have time at all, you have to write your exam in November and lot of things have to be covered in costing. So I've just started, so I don't want to lose out for the time. You are just left with, normally after the class is after the entire coaching is over, normally the children take 2-3 months to practice. You don't have it all. So you need to practice and you have to listen to the class as well. So both have to go hand in hand. So double work you need to do to solve the problems. So what I have done is I'm trying to pick up the problem. Every time I'm solving a problem, I want you to please meticulously open your book, religiously read the book, and solve the problems from the exercise and from the question papers as well. All the question papers are available on your CA website. Please download all the question papers and solve them. I am referring. I will tell you the book I am referring also. This is Paduka book I am referring. Paduka book, which is Cost and Management Accounting from Saravana Prasad. Saravana Prasad book I am referring. And all the problems I'm picking up are examination problems only. Some are latest one, some are little old one, but I have tried to cover all the different types. I'm not solving just RTP or any textbook problem that is from your material. But I request you to open your module and do the problems from your module as well. If you have any problem, please feel free to put a note, personal WhatsApp message. You can send it to me. You have my number on the group as well. You can send a personal message. Take a screenshot of your module page, whatever page you have gone through and what you have not understood. And you underline or use a pencil and underline the line which you have not understood. I will explain it to you. Either I will call you or I will write down the answer and I'll take a pic and send it back to you. This is the normal feature I've been doing for most of the students, so you don't worry about it. Don't think that you are pestering the teacher and all. We are here to help you out only. Please don't think otherwise. Read your module religiously. Please read your module religiously. I will continue your class with a break of 10 minutes. Okay. Thank you.